Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Came to show you what I got in my monthly Mary Maxim crochet club kit of the month, and this is for the month of July. So first of all, I wanted to say hi and welcome to my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for coming and being here. And if you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe. And hi and welcome to my members. Thanks so much for your continued support. It helps a bunch. And yeah, so I got this really cool kit. It was from July. It's a reversible tote bag kit. And this is the yarn that comes with it. So currently I pay, let's see, it's $18.99. And then the tax is $1.79. I'm here in the US. And the shipping cost is $5. So the total was $25.77. So I think it's, you know, kind of cutting it even. I looked up the regular Super Saver, Red Heart Super Saver yarn. And the 7 ounce, this isn't the jumbo, it's 2 skeins of the 7 ounce. Right now at your inspiration site, it's going for $6 because everything's gone up in price. And this is pretty lovely, but it's discontinued, so I wasn't able to get a price on it. So anyways, let me tell you about what's in the kit. So it's 2 skeins of the Super Saver Soft White colorway. Red Heart, it's made by Your Inspirations. It's 7 ounces or 198 grams, 364 yards or 333 meters. They have an interesting pattern on there. And they recommend, it's a number 4 weight yarn, medium worsted, and they recommend an I9 5.5 millimeter crochet hook or a 5mm US 8 size knitting needle. It's 100% acrylic yarn, machine wash and dryable. Okotek standard 100 it says on here. The address is Charlotte, North Carolina, and this one's made in Turkey, and this is the soft white colorway. So that's pretty nice. I actually don't have any soft white. I usually have like buff on that colorway, or have white, but I haven't had the soft white colorway. So it's 2 skeins of that, and then 2 skeins of this really pretty Hello Gorgeous color. So it's like a teal and an aqua and a blue sort of color with mixed in with green, then it goes into like a yellowish green, and also like a kind of like a golden color. Here's the golden color. Yeah. And yellowish brown. So it sort of transitions like that. So it seems like it kind of transitions. And this is a picture of it worked up. I know it's kind of hard to see because it sort of blends in with the yarn, but that's nice that they have that on there. How does it feel? Feels a little softer than Red Heart Super Saver, but pretty close. I wouldn't consider it rough, but, you know, use your own judgment. If you wash it, it'll soften up. If you wash it with fabric softener. I'm sure this probably would too. I've never used the Hello Gorgeous yarn. So apparently they have a free pattern on their site for it. These, it's 2 skeins of this, and each one is 5 ounces or 141 grams. 252 yards or 230 meters. 100% acrylic yarn. It's also number 4 weight yarn, and the recommendations are the same for the knitting needles and the crochet hook, the I9 5.5 millimeter or the US 8 size knitting needles. Machine wash and dry. Yeah. It says buy enough of the same dye lot, so this one has a dye lot. And this one says it's made in USA. It doesn't have a year on here, so who knows. So yeah, so again, that's what it looks like. That's the other side. And now to show you the pattern that came with it. So this is the pattern, a pretty cool bag. So apparently I think there's enough yarn to make both. So one side, so this is like what it looks on one side and this is what it looks on the reverse side. I will say, because this is acrylic yarn, this will stretch when you make a bag. So the recommendation is that you put a liner, like a cotton cloth liner inside, or maybe do a tote bag, canvas bag, put that in the middle, you know, inside as a liner if you don't want to sew a liner, and that'll help to not have the bag stretch so much. So it says this picture shows the bag with the right side facing, bag in front, and with the wrong side facing, bag in back. You decide which pattern you want to show off. If your bag is work to gauge, there should be enough yarn included to make both versions. Keep one for yourself and share the second one with a cherished someone. It's a reversible tote bag. And then here, well, if you do line it, it wouldn't be really reversible. So, yeah. So the number up here, it means 2026, and then July and Crochet Club. They rate it as an intermediate level pattern. I know it's a little wrinkly. Oh well. It looks like maybe it's sort of interlocking. This is kind of a close-up of the diagrams of the pattern. That's pretty cool. So it says closer view of pattern from right side, and then the one from the wrong side. 7 ounces or 364 yards. It calls for a G6 4mm crochet hook, or size needed for gauge. So I guess it's crocheted kind of tightly. And then it has for the shoulder strap. It looks like it's front double crochet and back double crochet. Just probably go on the front loop and the back loop. Maybe. I don't know. Just my guess. Anyways, so, and then the back has a picture of how to do the extended single crochet and a closer view of the strap. So I guess until I do it, or you do it, we won't know if it stretches or not. So anyways, this was what I got for this month of July. I hope you enjoy. I think it's really pretty. I like it. I think it's really cool. I'm actually very tempted to maybe make it. So, dude. Anyway, sorry about the camera shaking. That was Jupiter my dog, putting his nose up against the camera, the stand that's holding the cell phone camera that's recording me. Okay, folks, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.